Hey guys, today we are going to colorize our snowflakes, so let's get started. To do so, we are going to use the Colorize gem. First, let's open an IRB session and require this gem. Then, if we create a hello string and call yellow on it, for instance, and put the result, let's see. Okay, our string appears in yellow. Now we can take advantage of the colors method with the sample one to get a different color on the fly. So let's implement this. Firstly, we're gonna call send to call our color on the fly, and we're gonna use the string colors dot sample, and here we don't forget to require our library. We run our program. Oh, we can see that the default method doesn't exist, so let's exclude it from our result. To do so simple, we use this operator and we exclude the default method. Okay, great, we colorized our snowflakes. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.